What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Guys, in this video I will share important news and updates about the Pioneer coin. So let's get started. Guys, before starting the video, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While I upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. So guys, in this video I will share important and massive updates about the Pioneer coin. So keep watching this video till the end. Before jumping to the news, let's navigate to the coin market cap and cover the market of cryptocurrency. This is $3.34 trillion is the market of market cap, and 2.58% decreased in the last 1 hour. This is Bitcoin price $96,000, Ethereum $3,376, XRP 2.17, BNB 688, Solana 189, Dogecoin 31 cent. There is Cardano 87 cent, Tron 25 cent, Avalanche 37, Tron coin is 5.78, and other coins that you can see, guys. So guys, this is the market of cryptocurrency. Currently something bad has happened to the market, and let's check the dominance of the market. This is the dominance of the market, guys. This is the dominance of the Bitcoin. This is the dominance of Ethereum and other altcoins. Overall, you can see, guys, 57.81% is the dominance of Bitcoin. Just Bitcoin covered the market. 12.2% is the Ethereum. 30.8% is the other altcoins that you can. There is something correction is getting, and right now it is altcoin season that you can notice that. So let's navigate to the Pi IOU price that you can check that. In the market of cryptocurrency, 48.87 cent and 1.11 cent and 1.11% decreased in the last 24 hours. This is the chart. Selling pressure is here too much. Selling pressure, you can notice that this is the selling pressure. Selling pressure again coming here. Again, market is getting the Bitcoin, just the Pioneer coin is getting correction. Buying pressure, you can notice that, and there is side wave that you can see it is right now created. However, guys, the Pioneer coin, we noticed that Pioneer coin is having the best potential that we can notice, and we can see the potential in the Pioneer coin in the future that might replace the Bitcoin also. However, let's navigate to the Pi network news. The very first news is Pioneer restores forgotten password feature for account recovery. This is something very interesting. Pioneer has made a significant update bringing back its forgotten password recovery feature through SMS verification. This critical tool allows pioneers and their referrals to recover their accounts and secure their Pi before the upcoming grace period deadline, which could otherwise result in the loss of access. The restoration of this feature is a welcome relief for many users who may struggle with access issues due to forgotten passwords or verification troubles. It highlights Pioneer's commitment to ensuring that its growing community can easily regain access to their accounts and protect their digital assets. Why is this feature important? The return of SMS-based account recovery option is more than just technical update. It's an essential step in Pioneer's ongoing mission to provide a user-friendly, secure, and accessible platform for its global user base. Account recovery is a common challenge for cryptocurrency users, and Pioneer has now taken steps to ensure that its pioneers are not left vulnerable to losing access to their hard-earned Pi. There is a simple and secure recovery step. Open the Pioneer app, select forgotten password, enter the registered phone number, verify via SMS, create a new password. This is something that people or the pioneers, they are waiting for this, that this feature should be available very soon for the Pioneer coin. And finally, this feature is now available on the Pi network. Pi network secures $7.52 billion in liquidity financing, a key milestone in his journey. As of December 25, 2024, Pioneer has achieved an impressive milestone by securing $7.52 billion in liquidity financing. This achievement comes shortly after a previous round of funding amounting to 15 billion yuan. According to a report from Traxen, Pi network now ranks 12th among 3,900 3,093 related companies global, further solidifying its status as one of the most promising players in the cryptocurrency space. This, as you can see, guys, tracks traction. This is something of 7.52 on the Pi network, that currently the Pi network they have collected, and they are funding for the Pi network open mainnet. Overall, Pi network heads to our open mainnet. What you need to know as Q1 2025 approaches. Pi network, one of the most anticipated cryptocurrency project, is steadily advancing towards a major milestone with its scheduled open network open mainnet launch in the first quarter of Q1 of 2025. With over 60 million users worldwide, Pi network has generated immense excitement within the crypto community. While the journey to this phase has been marked by numerous challenges, high hopes abound. Here is everything you need to know. Pi heads toward open mainnet launch in Q1 2025. There is the road to open mainnet. The impact of open mainnet on the Pi network ecosystem, challenges ahead. What can you expect this? Overall, Pi network constantly ranks among Forbes digital assets top trending cryptocurrencies. You can see, notice that Pi network is once again mid headlines, maintaining its position as one of the top 10 trending cryptocurrencies on Forbes digital assets. What makes this achievement remarkable is that the Pi network has yet to be listed on any cryptocurrency exchange. It operates without the backing of venture capital funding, a rarity in the highly competitive world of blockchain technology. This is breaking the norm. Pi network's unique journey, revolutionary mining approach, a vibrant and growing community, long-term vision over immediate gains, managing community expectations, building a robust ecosystem, competing in a statured market. PiCoin dominates trends in the Turkish market. You can see, guys, Istanbul, Turkey, according to the latest report by Bitmart's research covering the period from December 16 to December 22, 2024, PiCoin has surged to the top spots on the most trending cryptocurrency in Turkey. This remarkable achievement underscores the growing influence and widespread appeal for Pi network is one of the world's most vibrant cryptocurrency market. Pi network retains top 3 spot among crypto apps in South Korea. However, guys, Pi Bank already 1 Pi is equal to $314. As Pi network continues to expand its ecosystem, the potential for PiCoin to achieve new heights is being recognized with the future vision of Pi-powered banks. This image inspires us to imagine Pi is more than just a cryptocurrency. It could become a global financial powerhouse. Could 1 Pi coin truly reach a value of $314? The possibilities for this decentralized currency are endless as the Pi network grows and pioneers remain at the forefront of this revolutionary journey. The future of P2P transactions on Pi browser. Imagine a world where pioneers seamlessly trade goods and services directly with PiCoin through the P2P feature in Pi browser. This potential update could revolutionize how we use Pi network, bringing a truly decentralized economy to life. With secure, fast, and fee-free transactions, P2P trading would empower users globally, bypassing traditional financial system. It's a glimpse into the real-world utility of PiCoin, reinforcing its vision of creating a fairer and more accessible economic future. Open Network. This is the official account of the Nicholas, the CEO of Pi Network. Open Network in Q1 2025. Read about mainnet migration and KYC upgrades on home screen. Great news, pioneers. The forgotten password feature for account recovery via SMS is back and fully restored. No more worries. If you are loose, you have tried it, let us know. Pi network bridging the world of cryptos 2025. Pi network stands tall among the giants of the crypto world, creating a bridge between decentralized networks. As the ecosystem grows, Pi is on its way to becoming a key player in the digital currency space. With its strong community and innovative approach, Pi is revolutionizing access to blockchain technology. Over 18 million pioneers have completed KYC, but only 8 million have migrated to Mainnet. The Pi core team is accelerating efforts to hit 10 million mainnet, while it's targeting January on February 2025. Pi network Q1 2025 accessibility inclusivity. We want many pioneers as possible to have the opportunity to use their Pi once open mainnet launch. More Pi migrated to mainnet before open network means more engagement and stability in the ecosystem. Pioneers who need to migrate may be in your referral teams and secure circles. Their migration mean you will receive more Pi based on the bonus Pi you might attribute it to them. Pi network will launch open network in Q1 2025. Breaking, we got news in today. New OKX3 mobile app that pay you in cryptocurrency. Plus, in this article, in states that Pi tokens are now tradable on OKX, making it even more rewarding. 24 hours migrate update. This is something very interesting that day by day the migration is increasing. We have a total of 8.828 million migrated Pi accounts, with another 1.17 million to go to reach our 10 million milestone. 4.9 billion mainnet migrated, Pi distributed among 7.7 million pioneers. 7.2 million wallets have 100 Pi. 0.4 million wallets have 101k Pi. Just 8k wallets have 1k Pi. This is something very interesting, guys. Complete your KYC and mainnet migration now. You avoid losing your Pi coin. You might notice the Pi application currently that you have to complete the KYC verification until the deadline. Urgent, if you have received KYC, you must submit your KYC application before 2025 January 31, otherwise you will lose your Pi coins. Pi network will launch an open mainnet in the first quarter of 2025. This is the official announcement. One thing certain, Binance will list Pi when the open mainnet goes live. This is something, guys, awaited things that we are waiting for this, that Binance should list. Binance is one of the most and biggest cryptocurrency in the global. Right now, the Pi network is currently trending on the market, but Pi network price is live inside the Binance exchange, but still it is not listed. Let me show you Pi Binance. This is Pi Binance. If you notice that this is the Pi price, that in the Pi chart each and everything is right now on the Binance exchange, but still it is not listed. Pi to USD, 1 Pi equals to 48.74 USD, 4.65% decreased in the last 1 day. This is, you can see, guys, that not listed. We are waiting for this, that Binance should list the Pi network coin. So guys, this is the latest update and news about the Pi network coin. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.